Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Marcus by Goldman Sachs app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Marcus by Goldman Sachs app, start by locating the app on your device. If you are using an Android device, swipe up on the home screen to access your apps. Find the Marcus app icon in the apps list. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select Uninstall from the options provided. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you want to uninstall the app. Tap OK or Confirm to proceed with the uninstallation. If you are using an iPhone, begin by locating the app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until all the icons start to wiggle. Look for the small X or minus sign that appears on the upper corner of the icon. Tap the X or minus sign to begin the uninstall process. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the deletion of the app. Select Delete to uninstall the Marcus app from your device. After following these steps, the app will be removed from your device. Make sure to check that the app no longer appears in your apps list. If you need to reinstall the app later, you can find it in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You have successfully uninstalled the Marcus by Goldman Sachs app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.